So my talk is about arrays, JavaScript arrays. It's part of a series of talks that are short, started by Ron Evans from the Hybrid Group. And this will be just an ongoing thing at JSLA. And the title of my talk is called Hip Hop Array. Like hip hop hooray, you know? Naughty by nature. All right, so arrays in JavaScript aren't like real arrays, they're actually objects. It comes from, and there's a global object array that all arrays inherits from. So if I make for my array a new array, then it should give me an empty array. There's another way to write that, which is just an empty array. Empty array. So it's arrays in JavaScript, they're indexed, and it starts from 0. Let me add in some stuff in here. Hip, hop, oops, hip. So if I do my array 0, then it should give me the first element of that array. And the last one would always be my array dot length minus 1. And length is a property that an array has that tells you the length of the array. So it would give you the last element of the array. So you can add in more elements by knowing that my array is the last, I guess, last element of the array. So if you do last one, then my array should have that last one at the end. There's another way of writing that. You can do my array at or dot push which will also add another element to the array. Let's see. You could delete something off of your array. Let's see, like add index maybe somewhere in the middle, 0, 1, 2. Now my array length, you would think you deleted 1 off, so you would think you would only have 4, but it's actually 5. What? My array didn't really delete it off, because that delete just deleted it, but it replaced it with an undefined. So instead of doing delete, you can do splice. 2. Let's see. The splice array, splice method, you can delete that element. So my array should be that without that element. You could also use splice to replace an element with something else, like so the third element of that array just changed to hey. All right. Let's see. Let's do a map. I wish I could go through all of the methods, but my time is limited. Map is a method, another method that creates a new array with the function you give it on every element on that array. So my array, for every item in that array, please return that item with a string added to it. So that's what map does. You could also use a for loop for that. Let's see. For I equals 0. Then let's say I wanted my for loop to iterate throughout the whole array. So I would just say my array.length. Oops. And let's actually save this. Now, I mean, we learned about push, so let's push something new to this new array. My array. Go through every single index of that array, and also add a string. Also, happy first B-Day. So my new array should, now that's iterating through every element, and it'll add that string. So there it is. And that's my short talk on arrays. Thank you.